This might just be the most unexpected tech surprise of 2025 so far. For the first time since Steve Jobs unveiled the iPod Hi-Fi back in 2006, Apple is throwing us a curveball with not one, not two, but 5 major product launches in February. Yes, you heard that right. February, the month we usually spend recovering from holiday bills and pretending to stick to New Year's resolutions, is now officially Apple season again. But here's the kicker. These aren't just random updates. Oh no, these are premium high-end gadgets designed to make your wallet cry, but trust me, they're worth every penny if you're into cutting-edge tech. So whether you're team iPhone SE4, M4 MacBook Air, or even dreaming about iPads that could rival laptops, I've got all the juicy details right here. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why Apple's pulling out all the stops this early in the year. But wait until you hear what's coming next. It's bananas. So let's kick things off with the star of the show, the new iPhone SE4. Now, before you roll your eyes thinking budget phone, hold on tight because this thing is packing some serious heat. First off, say goodbye to Lightning ports forever. Apple's finally giving us USB-C, which means Android switchers can breathe easy, no more dongle drama. And get this, it's ditching that old school LCD screen for a gorgeous 6.1-inch OLED display. Think deeper blacks, brighter colors, and contrast so sharp it might just cut you. Plus, Face ID is making its debut in the notch. Bye-bye home button nostalgia. Now, don't expect a 120 Hz promotion display like the big boys, but hey, at $500, this is practically stealing. Oh, and did I mention the A18 chip? Paired with 8 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking will feel smoother than butter on a hot pancake. Seriously, this feels less like a budget phone and more like a Trojan horse, sneaking flagship features into an affordable package. But what do you think? Would you trade your Galaxy S23 for this little powerhouse? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, we've got the M4 MacBook Air, and oh boy, does this machine mean business. Remember how the M1 blew everyone away when it launched? Well, the M4 takes that performance and cranks it up to 11. We're talking faster speeds, better efficiency, and battery life long enough to binge watch 3 seasons of your favorite Netflix show without needing a charge. It's like having a Ferrari engine inside a Prius body, sleek, silent, and ridiculously overqualified for your daily commute. Or should I say, your daily coding marathon. And here's the best part. Unlike those clunky Windows Ultrabooks trying to compete with Intel Lunar Lake or Snapdragon X chips, the M4 makes them look like they're running on hamster wheels. Expensive? Maybe. Worth it? Absolutely. Now onto my personal favorite, the iPadAir lineup. Both the 11-inch and 13-inch models are getting upgraded with the M3 chip, which, let's be honest, still puts them miles ahead of most Windows tablets. But the real game changer, the all-new Magic Keyboard. Gone are the days of flimsy plastic keyboards. This bad boy has function keys, adjustable angles, and a metal chassis that screams premium. If you've ever dreamed of turning your iPad into a full-blown laptop replacement, this is the accessory you've been waiting for. Just imagine typing emails on this beauty instead of squinting at your phone like a caveman trying to start a fire. Trust me, your fingers will thank you. Finally, we've got the wild card, the iPad 11. Rumor has it, this baby could come rocking either the A17 Pro or A18 chip, along with 8 gigabytes of RAM. That's insane power for a device priced under $400. But here's the million-dollar question. Will Apple release it alongside the iPad Air or save it for later to avoid cannibalizing sales? Personally, I think they'll play it safe and delay it till spring, but who knows with Apple these days. So there you have it, folks. 5 premium products dropping sooner than expected, proving once again that Apple loves keeping us on our toes. Whether you're upgrading to the SE4, splurging on the M4 MacBook Air, or turning your iPad into a productivity beast, February 2025 is shaping up to be a goldmine for tech enthusiasts. And remember, if you don't smash that like button after watching this video, Siri might just delete all your photos. You've been warned. What are you most excited about? The SE4, the M4 Air, or maybe the iPadAir with its fancy keyboard? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more premium tech breakdowns like this one. Until next time, stay classy, stay curious, and keep those wallets ready. Peace out.